Imagine waking up this morning and discovering you cannot access a single naira in your bank account. The payment failed again. How will I pay the fees? Why is this happening? I need to access my funds. Every year, thousands of Nigerians face this unexpected situation. Your money is still there, but you can't access it. No warning, no email, no explanation.
I'm sorry, sir. Your account is restricted. I can't process any transactions right now.
But here's the question many Nigerians never ask. Under Nigerian law, can a law enforcement agency freeze your bank account without a court order? Under Nigerian law, the general rule is that a bank account cannot be frozen simply because an investigation has begun. Investigators generally apply to a court for an order. The court's order authorizes the bank to temporarily restrict transactions while investigations continue. An investigation letter may begin the process, but it is not the same as a court order. The Court of Appeal addressed this issue in GTB versus Adedamola and others. The court made it clear that the EFCC cannot direct a bank to freeze a customer's account without first obtaining a valid court order. If your account has been frozen, don't panic. Start by finding out why the restriction was placed and whether it is supported by a valid court order. Understanding the reason is the first step towards protecting your rights.
Welcome, sir. The lawyer is ready for you. From the documents you have shown me, if your account was restricted without a valid court order, you may be able to challenge the restriction in court and seek appropriate relief, depending on the circumstances.
Where appropriate, your lawyer may prepare an application asking the court to review the restriction and determine whether it should remain in place.
Ultimately, it is the court that determines whether the restriction should remain in place. The judicial process helps ensure that investigations are conducted in accordance with the law while protecting the rights of those affected.
Where the court finds that a restriction was not lawfully imposed, it may grant appropriate relief. Depending on the circumstances of the case, that may include lifting the restriction and, where justified, awarding damages or other remedies recognized by law.
I see. Thank you for explaining.
If you discover that your account has been restricted, remain calm. Confirm the reason with your bank, ask whether there is a court order authorizing the restriction, and seek legal advice so the circumstances can be properly reviewed.
Knowledge is one of your greatest legal protections. Visit www.amakaikilawoffice.com blog to read this article and discover many more practical legal guides that can help you understand your rights.